The metal fabrication program, we really focus on the welding processes and metal fabrication as a whole. Pretty much taking something from a blueprint design, taking it all the way to a finished product that a customer would buy. This program is built so someone can leave the program and go work in a metal fab shop. You don't need any sort of base knowledge to come through the program. We start off everything really basic. Probably 80% of your time in the program is going to be out in the shop. I'm going to talk to you a lot about how the equipment works, what the equipment is, how it functions. We focus heavily on the TIG welding and MIG welding processes. We get into automated forming and automated cutting with automated rollers, automated press brakes that we use to bend and form sheet metal. We also get into automated cutting processes like the water jet and the plasma cutters. The metal fabrication processes, they start early with basic information, hand layout, and throughout the year we get more advanced, working with more machinery and more equipment, programming equipment, learning how that program equipment works, troubleshooting, things like that. In the second half of the year, we get into more of kind of what we call our capstone classes. It's really imperative that you do have a good understanding of blueprint reading, and we take you through that from someone that will come in having zero blueprint reading experience and leaving the program being able to build our capstone project, which is our pressure vessel. We get into precision bending and metal finishing. That's a course where we dive much deeper into our forming and bending equipment as far as how the equipment works and really what happens when we're bending steel. We get into the metal finishing processes and how they work, really what you're doing when you're polishing steel or you're polishing stainless steel and the industries that it's used for, which is pretty big and a pretty applicable industry in our area and throughout the world in general.
This class is definitely worthwhile. They teach you how to kind of break everything down and best way to go about things, and I would say that was the biggest thing for me to learn, was to be able to take my time, slow down, and look at what you're doing and go from there. And you learn more of the tips and tricks of the trade on how to be successful in the field.
The FAB program really allowed me to dip my toes into something that I had no experience in. The knowledge that was given to me here was like a perfect base to continue learning. I think the program itself gave me really good foundational information and knowledge.